Gold reserves. In October 2010, Iran gold reserves hit record high as the central bank took preventive measures to avoid the possible assassin freeze the Western countries in 2009 when the gold price was an average 656 per ounce and a few hundred tons of gold were imported. Iran quoted CBI Governor Mohammad Bahmani at the president. The price of each ounce of the gold is $1,230. Consequently, the value of the national reserves has risen by the few billions dollars, and he said Iran has changed 15% of its foreign exchange reserves into the gold as the number is 1.7% for countries such as India and China. US sanction against Iran. In January 2012, the head of the Tehran Chamber of the Commerce reported that the Iran had 907 tons of gold purchased at an average of the $600 per ounce and worth of $54 billion at today's price. The CBI governor, however, reported only 500 tons above ground gold reserves. The discrepancy is unexplained, but the 907 tons could mistakenly include the below ground gold reserves 320 metric tons as of 2012, and possibly the gold in Iran private hands 100 tons in coins or billions. In 2014, reported from the central bank put its gold stores at 90 tons only, the rest possibly used in the barter trade following section inflation and monetary policies. Ferdowsi building of Iran central bank. Double-digit inflation rates have been a fact of life in the Iran for the past 20 years. Between the 2002 and 2006, the rate of inflation in the Iran has been fluctuating between the 12 and 16%. Monetary policy in Iran has not been successful in meeting the inflation and monetary targets set. The Iranian 5-year development plans owing mainly to the monetary impact of the government spending out of oil revenue, although the attainment of the inflation target has improved somewhat recently. The objective of the gradual inflation to single-digit levels has not been achieved. However, the implicit intermediate target of the monetary policies of money growth has been systematically missed. The central bank is in an extension of the Iranian government, and such as it does not operate independently. Interest rate is usually set based on the political priorities and not monetary targets. There is little alignment between the fiscal and monetary policies. The central bank accesses the inflation rate with the use of the price of 395 goods and services in Iran urban areas. High level of inflation have also been associated with the growth in Iran's money supply. The central bank data suggested that the money supply growth has been about the 40% annually. The rapid growth of the money supply came from the high demand for borrowing capital at the rate of 12% of the banks offered imposed by the government to make credit accessible to average Iranian and small entrepreneur. However, this rate is lower than the rate of inflation. This mistake the cost of the borrowing less than the free market cost as determined by the supply and the demand based on the inflation rate of the investment risk. Direct instruments banking profit rates as of 2010. The interest rate charged between the banks interbank rate is set by the government of Iran. The credit ceiling. The CBI can intervene in and supervise the monetary and banking affairs throughout the limit banking, specifying the mechanism for the use of funds and determining the ceiling of loans and credit in each sector. Indirect instruments. Reserve requirement ratio according to the Article 14 of the Monetary and Banking Laws of Iran. Reserve Bank requirement ratio according to the Article 14 of the Monetary Banking Laws of Iran. CBI the authorized to determine the reserve requirement ratio within the 10 to 30% depending on the bank's liabilities and composition and field of activities. CBI participation paper. The central bank must obtain approval from the Majlis in order to issue participation paper. Open deposit accounts. Control liquidity through the absorption of banks' excess resources, and the CBI pays profit to these deposits with the CBI on the basis of the specific rules.